Let's see how you can easily build AI chatbots for your business using the power of Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model. So based on the recent evaluations, Gemini 2.5 Pro is the best model comparing with other existing models such as ChatGPT, Grok, or even Cloud as well. So here Google has released this particular Gemini 2.5 Pro model recently, and here they have actually compared this particular model with all these tests with all the existing models such as OpenAI, Cloud, even Grok and DeepSeek as well. As you can see here, this particular model perform really better comparing with other AI models. So let's see how to use this particular model to build powerful AI chatbots for your own business. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all these channels over here. So whatever the AI chatbot we are going to build will simply work on all these connected channels. So first of all, you need to connect the API keys from Google Gemini. For that, go to settings over here. So in settings, integrations. So here in integrations, you have to make sure to add the API keys from Google Gemini. For that, you have to simply grab the API keys from the Gemini platform. So here you have the link where to grab the API keys and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you can simply build any sort of AI chatbots using the power of Google Gemini. So for that, let me go to the flow section and let me create a new flow, Gemini 2.5 Pro AI bot. Continue. So here we need to start with an action. So currently it says send message. So for that, let me add an action over here. And here, if you move your cursor right here, you have the option to make this one as the starting step. And here, simply add an action related to Google Gemini. And here you have the option to choose whatever the models you are going to use. So let me choose a Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental. And here you have to add all the information about your business right here. For that, you can actually use this particular prompt generator tool over here. Simply enter your website address and extract all the information from your website and simply use that particular information on this particular prompt as well. So here we have gathered some information about a med spa called as Radiant Med Spa. So let me actually use that particular information right here. Alright, so here let me add a prompt as well saying if a customer is interested in getting a discount for the services, then please request their name and email address. So here we also need to create an AI trigger as well to save those details to a customer's profile. So for that, go to flows, AI triggers, and let me create a new AI trigger and let me say get discount for med spa services, and let me say allows the user to get discount for med spa services. And what details do you want to collect? I want to collect their name and save this in the full name field, and also I want to collect their email address as well and save in the email field. And when both of these details are received, I can send a message saying congrats, your discount coupon is chat20, see you soon. So once they provide both of these details, it will be sent to them. So click on continue over here. We also need to save the response to the custom field which we send to the user. So here you can create a new field, or we can actually use the existing field as well. So let me just use the existing field, which is AI output. Simple. Continue. And if it is successful, we want to send this to the user, which is AI output. So let me type curly brackets and type out this one and choose AI output. All right, and make sure this is published as well. And another important thing is that we also want to activate this particular AI trigger we just created as well, which is get discount for the med spa service. Get discount for med spa services. All right, I added a prompt as well. If a customer is interested in getting a discount for the services, then please request their name and email address. All right, click continue over here and publish this. All right, so here we want to make this particular flow, Google Gemini 2.4 AI chatbot, as the default flow as well. For that, let me choose this particular, go to settings and choose the default flow. All right, so now this particular chatbot simply work on all these connected channels over here. So let me test this on the WhatsApp over here and see how this actually works. So here I'm in the WhatsApp. Let's test how this actually works. So here let me send a message over here saying, so here let me ask about the services offered and let's see what happens. So it says all these services are offered over here. So let me send a message asking about a discount and see how this actually work. Can I get a discount on hair restoration treatment, please? So let me send this message and see what sort of response we receive. It says, please provide your name and email address so I can provide you a discount coupon. Great. So let me say, my name is John and my email is john25@gmail.com. So let me send this message and see how this actually works. So here it says, here is your discount coupon, chat20, enjoy your hair restoration treatment. Simple as that. So now you can easily track this particular chat in this particular unified inbox. So now we have a chat, actually made the chat on the WhatsApp over here. So that's why you see this particular chat right here. The customer name is John and this is their email address, and they chat from this particular phone number. That's why this particular phone number is also here. So from this particular inbox, an agent can actually send any sort of messages, and since they have actually chatting on the WhatsApp, they have the option to send an SMS right here as well, because we already know their phone number as well. Likewise, it can simply work on all these connected channels as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build an AI chatbot for your business using the power of Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.